Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to look at the score distribution for the writing module. A lot of students, when they don't really get their scores in writing, they just focus on essays and summarize written text. But in this video, I'm going to tell you what all tasks contribute and how much they contribute, and why I always say that don't just focus on essay and summarize written text. Without any further delays, I'll share my screen, give you a clear idea of what the scoring criteria in writing is, and if you're not getting your scores in writing, what can be the possible reason. Alrighty, let me share my screen. This is the score distribution I've got for all of you. I'll explain you, try to understand what and how this works, right? First of all, these are areas which are going to give you points in writing. Remember this thing, if you, even though you get your scores out of 19, your PT, the least or the minimum you can get is 10. Let's say if you don't attempt anything, if you just leave your test as it is, you won't get 0, you'll get 10. So basically your test is only out of 80 points because 10 is equivalent to 0 in PT. That is why I've calculated this out of 80 to give you exact picture. Very first task which contributes to your writing is from writing module, summarize written text. You generally get 2 summarized written text in your test. One summarized written text will give you 7 points. So 7 into 2, 40. One essay. Normally students only get one essay. You get 15 points for one essay, 15 into 1, 15. Reading and writing blanks, you get 5. And let's say you've got 5 passages with 5 blanks each, 25 points. Summarize spoken text, students normally get 1 or 2. I've taken 2 as the average number. 10 into 2, 20 points. Listening fill in the blanks, normally you get 3 blanks or 3 passages with 4 to 5 blanks, so 15 points. Write from dictation, some students even get 3, some even get 4. So I've just taken 3 as the median number, and let's say your dictation is around 10 words each, you get 30 points. So this is the total contribution. Now what PT does is PT contributes the total contribution out of 80. That is what I have done. Summarized written text will be around 8 to 9 points. Essay will be 10 to 11 points. Reading writing blanks around 17 points. Summarize spoken text, if you have got 2, this will be around 12 to 13 points. Let's say if you only have 1 over here, then scoring or the weightage of this will go down and weightage of the others will go up a bit. Listening fill in the blanks 15, and this is going to give you around 11 to 12 points. 11 to 12 points, and write from dictation 21 points. But mostly students even get 4. So let's say if you have got 4, right? If you have got 4, this will go up to 26, 27, and others will go down. But this is just an estimate. The contribution can vary depending on the exam pattern or structure. Some students get 1 summary, 1 essay, 6 reading, filling the blanks. So it's different for everyone, but I've just given you an idea that which is the most important task for your writing and which is the least. Which is the most important one? Write from dictation, reading and writing blanks, summarize spoken text, listening blanks. Then comes your essay, and the least one is summarize written text. But our point is, what we do is when we don't get the scores in writing, we just focus on these ones. This is something you have to avoid. This is something you have to be very vigilant and careful about, right? All right. I have rounded these up to the nearest figure. So some of them were, for example, 8.1, 8.2. I haven't written the numbers in decimals. Now, what I want you to take out of this video, if you're not getting your scores in writing, focus on write from dictation, summarize spoken text, reading, writing blanks. And if you think you're doing fine in these 4 areas, then focus on this and this, because these 2 are easy tasks and there are very less chances you can mess this up. What you have to practice every day: 1 summarize written text, 1 essay alternate day, around 15 to 20 reading writing blanks, 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening blanks, and 30 write from dictation. Do these and you'll be 100% fine. Again, write from dictation, reading writing blanks, summarize spoken text, very, very important, and you all have to focus on these ones. So this is what I want you to share. Just want you to clear all the buzz that you have to just focus on writing essay or summarize it your text. You need to focus more on your summarized spoken text, your reading writing blanks, and the most important, write from dictation. Listening blank spellings are very important. Once you're doing fine in these 4 tasks, you need to focus on summarized written text and essay. For writing, don't just focus on writing module. PT, you get writing scores from reading, you get writing scores, a lot of scores for your writing from your listening module as well. So you have to focus on everything. You need to understand what the exam and the marking criteria is, and then focus on the tasks which are going to give you more scores, and you'll be 100% fine. That's it from this video. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, if you need me to cover any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you need any help, we have got branches in Australia and in India. You can contact us on any of the numbers below. To practice, just register on languageacademy.com.au. You'll get a free scored mock test as well, or you can download the LAPT exam practice app. Varun from Language Academy. I hope the video was helpful. And that's it. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.